Hello everybody, so I just wanted to make a very quick video, and just looking at futures right now, we can see that we're down significantly. So just to remind you, when we're looking at the futures, US 30 is the Dow, US 500 is the S&P 500, US Tech 100 is NASDAQ, and small caps is the Russell 2000. So you can see NASDAQ is down the most, followed by the S&P 500 and the Russell, and the Dow is down the least. And VIX is up here, 7% change, and right here it's around 34. So VIX is getting pretty high in the futures. So right here it's looking like if we open where these futures are, SPY will be around 426, 427 ish. So I also wanted to show an entirely different side of the market. So now we're going to go to the commodities futures. And here you can see gold is up, silver's up, basically all the metals are up. Brent is up over 8%. It's 127. Crude WTI, it's up 7% at 123. Oh boy, palladium is up 5.15%. And yeah, you get the picture. It's not looking good. Wheat up by almost 7%. So yeah, now we're gonna go flip back to the SPY, and I'm thinking about this week. I happen to think this week might not be a very pretty week because what's been going on the SPY? Basically, been falling. We've been making lower. We've been making lower highs and lower lows. So if we make a lower low, it's gonna have to take out this 410 area. And I truly think that this next low, if we do get one, could be close to the bottom that we're looking for. So I want to point out that when we made this rebound, we hit the top of this trend channel and now we're falling. So what we could see is maybe we could open around these low 27 support area. And then who knows, maybe we could bounce again and then we could maybe go back to 437, maybe. I mean, that would be like my bullish case, 437, and then we could fall again. So if we do just go straight down, I do think there is a possibility that we could even make it to these low 420 areas, and then maybe we could see a bounce. But I did want to introduce you guys to something a little bit new. So I made this little Excel spreadsheet right here. And what this Excel spreadsheet does is that it's showing us data from the beginning of January this year to our current um, time here on the 4th. So what this spreadsheet is actually doing here is that it's calculating the difference from the prior close. And you can also see, I got the volume profile here as well. So you can see in the last few days, we've actually been having like fairly average volume. And then on the 24th, we had this massive volume of 214 million shares. And then if we look for more abnormalities, we could see on the 11th of February, we had 153 million volume. And then this entire last week of January had some pretty massive volume as well. 21st to 24th of January, pretty massive volume. I mean, that was basically like 200 some million shares, but I think this is because of earnings, if I recall correctly. But anyways, what this is showing us is the percentage difference from the prior close. And this column right here is showing us the percentage difference from the open to the close. So if we're just looking here, percentage difference from the prior close, I mean, we see this 1.92, 1.77, 1.96. So most of this is around 2% and under. So most of it is under 2%. We do have some numbers that are over 2%. So we have like 2.48 to the upside, 2.35 to the downside. So just on this average spread of data, I would think that it's likely that if SPY does have a bad day, it's not going to be over 3%. And it could be somewhere in like the mid 2%, so like a 2.5% down day. So for the SPY, that would be like $10 down. So if we look at SPY right now, we're sitting at 432. So if we fall $10, that would be like 422. So that would be like right around this support level, around the 420 support level. So that's very likely. I mean, if we fall like 2.5%. And then just going back to the spreadsheet, if you look at the difference from the open to close, then you can see that most of this is under 2% as well. We have this one outlier, which was on the 24th of February, where we had a 4.2% move in just one day from open to close. So my most likely scenario is that it's very likely that if we fall, it's probably not going to be over 3% from where we closed on Friday to where we're going to close on Monday. So I don't think we're just going to go all of a sudden crashing down to 410 and then closing right around there. I mean, it's very possible that we could just go straight down to 410. We have this massive rally, and we go right back to 420. But we could do basically anything. But what I'm essentially saying is that I don't think that our close from Friday to Monday is going to be more than 3% to the downside. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I have a link showing you how to make this Excel file if you're interested in that in the description below. So stay safe out there, and good luck to you guys tomorrow.